Alright, so for those of you who have been longtime viewers of the channel, you know back with the iPhone 14 series devices, we had a case or more of a protective bumper called the Arc Pulse that we used for the entire year of having it. It was so minimalistic, it gave you the whole look of your phone, and a lot of people like to go caseless. Nowadays with the iPhone upgrade program and other comparable programs out there, Apple Care is included, people are being a little bit more riskier with their phone and loving the minimalistic look of this case. Fast forward to this year with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and Arc was nice enough to send us their newest generation here of the Pulse in that rose gold colorway. I will throw up the link down below for those of you interested. If you missed our prior video, I'll link that as well down below. We used it for the whole year. It took some drops and kept our phone pristine. A lot of people were kind of curious, how well does it protect? Can you use it with a case? Well, yes, with the screen protector. Yes, you can, without a doubt, and it works great. If you use tempered glass screen protectors, it works, no issues. So let's go ahead and take a look at what this does with the Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's go. So as you can see, it is a very tiny package that it comes in because, again, it is just a top bumper and bottom bumper for your iPhone. And to give you an idea of just how tiny this packaging is, you can set it right on top of your iPhone and it does not take up much room at all. So again, these come in an assortment of different colors and materials depending on your finish. This is that new rose gold colorway. And again, depending on which version you get will really dictate what price they're going to be. They do range pretty significantly. So pulling that right off, I do like this, and I think it's going to complement this color very well, or even a darker colored iPhone. But as you can see, it is glossy, metallic. It will show a couple fingerprints, but it is what it is. Again, it's very, very minimalistic. That obviously is the top by the camera bump. Here is a little bit of reading materials. You can see it says, "Feel your phone." An Arc statement, aerospace grade aluminum, protection where it matters, style without compromise. And again, I will verify that. That is the whole point behind these, to enjoy the color and look of the device as the designers intended. You do have a QR code to join the Arc collective, and obviously developed in the Netherlands, and your warranty information. And then at the bottom here is going to be the bottom bumper. So again, very minimal as far as what comes in here. You can see the color as well, side by side with that Desert Titanium. And installing this is literally as simple as just lining them up, and it is a little bit of a suction that goes on the corners. So what you're going to do, you're just going to angle it like so and push it into place, and you can see that bumper protection on the corners. And again, I do have a tempered glass screen protector on this, and it doesn't impact that at all. And then you're going to do the same thing on the back here. I'm going to switch hands. You're going to kind of twist over the camera bump and snap that right into place. Just like that. Literally that easy to have it lined up and ready to go. So, again, I personally really like the look of this. There's not too much else to show simply because it is so minimal. But what do you guys think of a case like this? Again, we've had plenty of people commenting on how well they liked it. Some don't, simply for the aspect of it's very minimal. They don't think it's going to be very secure, whereas you can have another transparent case to show your look or something a little more substantial. It's going to be a personal preference, but I do like the minimalistic nature of this bumper. So, what do you guys think? Comment down below, let us know, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.